when you're making a particular pitch, a lot of people will, often spend a lot of time talking about the features of what it is that they do. I've got a secret to tell you guys. It might sting just a little bit, but people don't really care. They don't care about the degree that you have. They don't care about how many years of experience you have. They don't necessarily care about the functions in which you go through or what programs you use to deliver all of that. What they really care about is the what's in it for me. And I'm sure you've heard that before, in the sense that people are really interested in how can you help them? How can you serve them? And so, like I said before, we buy emotionally and then justify logically. If we often lead with only the logical part of our pitch, then we're leaving 90% of the conversation on the table. And so what I really like to encourage you to do is to start to think about what are the things that really inspire your clients and what is the emotional engagement that they're looking for as a result of engaging with you. And so what will your product or your service do for them as a result of making that decision to actually move forward with you? And so we start to look at, what are your clients' needs or your prospects' needs?